Guys, it's Tool Guy Y, and today I'm going to be walking you through a 2009 Chevy Tahoe oil change. So these are going to be some of the tools and the materials you're going to need to complete this job. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the oil fill cap located on the left side of the engine next to the air box. Next, we're going to take our 15mm wrench and we're going to loosen the drain plug. The drain plug is located on the back side of the oil pan. I do recommend using a 15mm ratcheting wrench because the ratcheting part actually does help out a lot in that tight space. If you do need more room, you can always take off the belly pan, which is 4 15mm bolts. Once you have the drain plug loosened, position the oil catch can or your box underneath the car to catch all the oil. Remove the drain plug and drain the oil. While the oil is draining, now is a good time to take your oil drain plug, clean it off, and inspect the seal to make sure everything is still intact. After a couple minutes, your oil should be drained. Reinstall your drain plug couple threads by hand before finishing off and tightening with your 15mm wrench. In this video, I'll be using the ABN Master Oil Filter Cap Set. Link in description. When I found the oil cap that fit my oil filter, I placed the oil cap on the oil filter and used the ratchet to loosen it. I recommend an oil filter cap style remover because the oil filter is located very close to the oil pan, which leaves little to no space. Once loosened, let the oil filter drain for a couple minutes. Once the oil starts to trickle out, remove the oil filter. Be careful because there will still be oil left and it will spill out. When installing oil filters, make it a habit to always lube up that O-ring with old oil so that when you reinstall and tighten it won't snap. Install the oil filter by hand first to prevent cross-starting, and then finish off with your cap and ratchet. Tighten your oil filter till it's snug. After you're done draining all the oil and changing the filter, it's always a good idea to clean the leftover oil residue so you don't mistake it as an oil leak. In this video, I just used 1 can of brake clean. Next, work your way to the top of the car and position your funnel in the oil fill hole located where your oil cap was, and fill 6 quarts of oil. In this video, I also used the Lisle Corporation Universal Oil Funnel, which prevents spills and keeps your oil changes clean. Alright, so when you're done with the oil change, some of you guys might have a service light on, and this is how you reset it. You just turn the key on to on position so you have all your lights on. Do not start the car, and then all you have to do is you press the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. Then you just shut the car off and then start it. And your light will turn off. Congratulations guys, you now know how to do an oil change on a 2009 Chevy Tahoe. Thank you guys for watching.